Fresh and fitter at it again. Here's some advice for you guys. Shut the hell up. Stay in your own lane. Your lane is not ours. Better yet, why don't you go back to your homeland and live there and talk the same shit? It's so stupid. How come you didn't stay there? Right? You came to a house that a lot of us FBA, Foundational Black Americans, have built. And yet you're saying stuff about us? Talk about get over racism? Really? That's like telling your people to get over whatever harmful situation that they're in. You're not us. A lot of us have done as best as we could to the point of even having benefits for your sorry behinds. You better show respect when you talk about FBA. You have nothing to say to us. You don't even live where you came from. You can talk about your parents and all that. Go back there and live where you came from. You're benefiting off of our work. We complain, so you say, about racism. This is because we're constantly fighting against it, to the point where it's made it easier for idiots like yourselves. Tell me about it. Even the most successful FBA will say something about racism. You clowns are acting like it doesn't exist. It's not just something that you get over. It's something that you face. And we talk about that we face. We are the ones that basically made the foundation and base for all of that when it comes to facing racism. So we will talk about it at every avenue that we see it. It's made it a lot easier for your sorry asses to even live up to over here. You have no idea, and you will never have any idea. So until you guys go back to where you came from and thrive there on your own, don't say anything about us. And even if you do, you still can't say anything about us because you're not us, and you're not constantly dealing with what we deal with on a daily, while even being successful. Yeah, rotten and unfit should be your name, as I said before.